Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it has come. This is this year's CraftyBonbons Christmas bumper box. So I had this last year and it was amazing. It was awesome, and it's always cram packed with lovely goodies. Good for Christmas journaling, Christmas crafting, and all that. So without further ado, here we go. So as you can see, you can already see there's a little gift at the side. So I'm gonna leave that for last, and let's see what's inside. As usual, I am trying to preserve the the tissue. That's just my personal preference. Oh, hang on a minute. I thought I've done it. Lovely. This box is actually sold out, would you believe it? So I'm really sorry that I've just teased you and you can't even get the box. However, I'm still gonna show you. So here we are, the CraftyBonbons information again. And in this box, oh, I might have had my first Christmas card. Whoops. Right. Imagine, like, oh my days, what's going on? Ah, lovely. Ah, thank you for so much, Ali and Debbie. Lovely. That's a lovely card. So that's my first Christmas card, which is lovely. So straight away you can see a little, I think this is 4x4. Oh, 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter paper, scrapbook paper that you can use for your December daily layouts or any scrapbooking layouts. You get a pack of ephemera. I'm not going to open this, or otherwise we'll be here forever. But as you can see, I'll probably just pull out some bits and pieces. As you can see, there are some little holly leaves, and some die cuts, and some chipboard frames, and yes, and more journaling cards. So it's basically packed again. And then you get another packet of die cuts, and this time they're like used for your cards and layouts and stuff. So again, I've seen people, what's this? Oh, it's like hot cocoa. So I've seen people create snow globe card, like shaker cards with this die cut. This one I'll show you. Oops. Been seeing people makes shaker cards out of this snow globe die cut. And again, I love this. I love this kind of like silhouette type thing, like black card on something. So I might utilize that for a card. Those are gorgeous. Right. Okay, so that's that packet. Then you get a lovely charm. Oh, it's got like, oh my god, I thought this was a I thought this was a flimsy ribbon, but no, it isn't. It's like a metal like bullet. Oh my god, that is really cute. That is so pretty. Oh my days. It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorge. Oh my god, I can't even get it in there now. Right. Then you get a pack of foiled silver stickers from Do Crafts. And you also get a Christmas stamp. That would be lovely. You get a, oh, this is cute, a lovely roll of washi. Don't know whether you can see that, but yeah, it's really cute. That is so cute. And then you get this decorative board. I can hang. I wanted to put it in my kitchen. I think I'm gonna put it in my kitchen. You get a nice pen. I think this is always black. They always give you black ink pen. So let's see. Lovely. Nice. Oop. That's it. It's like a twisty pen. Then you get more die cuts, like foiled holographic die cuts. It's got like a pink penguin on it, like tags and a bah humbug thing. And you get a packet of tags, like craft tags with lots of different colored twine, which is good to put your like presents in there. Like present tag, used as a present tag, really. Oh, what's this? Again, it's jam-packed. Oh, I get... Oh, all right. I've just noticed something, but I'll tell you in a minute. And you get an envelope of die cuts. This is all gorgeous. So you get a lot in this. Again. Oh! Little heart. Little mittens. Oh my god, I love that. Oh, you get a lot. You get a lot. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Then you get another packet of die cuts. Die cuts. Oh, they're cute. Oh my god, that's so precious. Those essential ones are really nice. And the wreaths. Oh my goodness, they're so gorgeous. And then you get these sticky kind of like pocket that you can put on your journal. Right, I'm going to tell you what I've noticed is that I have this pen. I thought I'd already have a pen, but yeah, there's another pen. And which is a clicky one. Not a twisty one, and that's also a black ink. You again get some washi stickers, which is lovely. I won't open them because I said I will be here forever if we're not careful. And then obviously we have this monthly cards that you can use in for next year. So I'll be using them in my bullet journal or my journaling. Oh, so they're like watercolor theme. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, thought I nearly destroyed that. And then you get a choice either to have a ringed inserts or sheets, planner sheets, or you have a TN. So I always opt out for either A5 or B6 size TN. And Alice attached excess of the paper Oh, it's amazing. And this is a paper you can use for journaling because there's a good variety of different paper in it. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, that's beautiful as well. What else do we have here? Oh, what's this? I think. Oh, packet of little envelopes that you can use in your journaling. Or you can put your, I think a gift card would fit in here nicely. So that's gonna be good. And then you have this cute bookmarks with a bookmark with a snowflake at the bottom. Oh, this is so cute. And then you get these postcards, not postcards, what am I saying, journaling cards. This is so beautiful. Get 4 of them. I like the variety of them. They're really beautiful. And you get this you get postcards or writing cards. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. There's A6, and then you get various different paper. This one's like a textured, almost fabricy one, and then you get a blue card. And then you get this, card toppers that you can use for your card making, or even you can use it for your journaling and stuff. And then you get these different beautiful papers too, like A4 size papers. So let's lay one. That one's cute. Oh my goodness, this is nice and shiny. This one's really almost like beautiful to be a cover for your journal. Skiing one, I'm not a skier myself, but that's really cute. Hopefully one day. And then you get this buffalo plaid, again a nice cover for your journal. Hand things like mittens or gloves. No, they're mittens. And sorry. And then this kind of like gingerbready type Christmas theme and your hot cocoa theme. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Okay, so then I need to return all of this. Okay, let's put that there. Put that there. Because there's something underneath that you probably have had a glimpse of already. Okay, so Ali and Debbie said to look underneath this big bundle. So here it is. Apart from the paper, I'm gonna collect all of those sequins in there at the bottom. There's a little mermaid pouch type thing, or glittery, like a, I don't know, holographic pouch. Right, instantaneously, I love it. Look at that bobo. That is gonna go in my tray. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute is that? I mean, this name, I wondered, oh, that is so cute. So it's a although it's there to use for like card holders, or maybe I can do this. I've got a picture of Poppy here that I meant to put in a card and whatnot. Look. I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Then you get a twine. You get a packet of sequins. Then you get this little foliage. And you get a what's this one? What they call eyelash trim, I think. Oh my god, that is so gorgeous. So not only that it's jam-packed with stuff, it has come in with beautiful gift. So it's a gift within a gift, gifts within a gift. So yeah, so that is it, guys. That's this year's. This is December 2020 CraftyBonbons bumper Christmas box. As I said, I'm really sorry it is sold out. I think because of last year, it has become popular, and you know, it has sold out even before it came out, to be honest. So I guess if you know where to find the group. It's a Facebook group called CraftyBonbons. So if you join that group, you will be privy to any kind of like releases or sneak peeks of the boxes, and including this for next year. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be crafting something for as a decoration from the Christmas box. Thanks for watching. Bye.